The 2015 Honda CRV. CRV, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, stability control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.